Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix no active device for share my location. So guys, if you want to share your location on iMessage and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down a bit. So for me guys, what you need to do is just simply have to locate for the privacy and security. Here it is, tap on that. From here you have to make sure that if location service is turned on, and just simply have to tap on share my location, and also make sure that find my iPhone is turned on. All of these tools are turned on. Then go back from here and just simply have to disable share my location, close this page, force restart your device, open the settings again. Now after that, scroll it down a bit, and from here you have to tap on privacy and security. Again, tap on location services, tap on share my location, turn this toggle on, then try to send your location and make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now open the settings. So for me guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down and make sure that your language and region is correct. And after that guys, you have to tap on software update and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS version. And after that guys, force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.